The blockchain ledger, which contains the record of all the transactions that have ever been conducted on a network, is one of the significant features of a cryptocurrency asset and is visible to every blockchain user. Since the creation of the blockchain, it has been marketed as private and anonymous. The phenomenon cannot be applied in every case, as wallet addresses under pseudonymous names can still be traced back to the owners in case of an investigation. According to research into the viability of the privacy feature of Bitcoin, findings showed that even in digital coins specifically designed to improve anonymity and privacy, it is still possible to track funds as it is transferred to new holders. And in some cases, to de-anonymize the users entirely. In other words, if clues are left over to match one's identity to a wallet address, users' crypto assets can be traced by other individuals or firms. Privacy coins like Zcash or Monero are one way to keep the private feature of the cryptocurrency alive through maintaining encryption. However, with so many funds already invested across the market, there are better solutions to ensure online transactions remain secure and private, like Tornado Cash. In this video, we will evaluate the Tornado Cash network and the mining features that drive the Tornado Cash price increase and the rise in trading volume. We will also discuss the price prediction forecast that highlights the expected minimum price value, average trading price, and maximum price value. Tornado Cash is a non-custodial and permissionless privacy solution for the Ethereum blockchain built with Snarks technology. The protocol enables the users to break a link in on-chain activity to improve transaction privacy between the recipient and destination address. Being a complex token mixer, Tornado Cash implements the use of smart contracts that support deposits made in Ether that are then withdrawn to other contract addresses. Tracking the original sender's identity is difficult since the said withdrawal is made from the liquidity pools of the project's smart contracts. Tornado Cash generates a secret hash each time a network user deposits assets to the protocol. Through a process known as commitment, Torn smart contracts accept the deposit along with the hash. The purpose of the commitment is to identify the original sender and prove during the withdrawal process that the user, claiming the asset, indeed owns the assets. The user confirms their identity while remaining anonymous on-chain to everyone else by inputting the on-chain hash upon making the request. Anonymity mining is another revolutionary feature introduced by Tornado Cash that incentivizes users who support the platform's privacy features by providing liquidity. Tornado Cash implements privacy even in the process of anonymity mining by syncing a two-stage shielded liquidity mining infrastructure. After depositing assets to the token mixer, users gain anonymity points into a special account called a shielded account. This unique account is highly private as it reveals nothing about the user's balance, wallet address, or other personal information. When the required number of anonymity points is reached, the user can exchange the AP for Torn tokens through Tornado Cash's custom automated market maker. Anonymity points can only be claimed on Tornado Cash nodes that have already been spent by the network users. During the claiming process, the user is required to generate zero-knowledge proof on the platform that calculates the AP according to how many blocks the said user's node has passed. The calculated amount is then added to the shielded account's balance. Torn is the native token of the Tornado Cash network and an ERC20 compatible token with a fixed supply that also governs Tornado Cash. Torn holders have autonomous rights to make proposals and vote to make specific changes to the protocol via governance. Restating that Torn tokens can be used for anonymity mining is essential. Tornado Cash also has anonymity sets which function whenever users deposit Torn tokens, and they get to receive rewards, hence the anonymity mining. Tornado Cash is currently worth $5.33. Torn has moved minus 0.64% in the last 24 hours with a trading volume of $4,593,189. Tornado Cash is currently ranked 835 amongst all cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $5,859,456. Tornado Cash price prediction 2022. Tornado Cash, according to some, is one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The Torn price forecast for 2022 anticipates a significant increase in the year's second half, possibly reaching $7.99. As with other cryptocurrencies, the rise will be gradual, but no considerable drops are expected. Averaging $7.46 in price is quite ambitious, but it is feasible in the near future given anticipated collaborations and advancements. Torn is expected to have a minimum value of $6.39. Tornado Cash price prediction 2023. In 2023, Tornado Cash price prediction has much room for expansion. As a result of the potential announcements of numerous new partnerships and initiatives, we anticipate that the price of Torn will soon surpass $13.32. However, we should wait to see if the Torn's relative strength index comes out of the oversold zone before placing any bullish bets. Considering the market volatility, Torn will trade with a minimum trading price of $10.66 and an average trading price of $11.72. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2024. If the upward trend continues until 2024, it could reach $18.65 and Torn may profit. If the market experiences a decline, the goal may not be met. Torn is expected to trade at an average price of $17.05 and a low of $15.98 in 2024. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2025. If Tornado Cash successfully boosts market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the Torn coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, Torn will be green in 2025. The Torn is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual currency will be worth $23.97, with a minimum price of $21.31 and an average price of $22.38. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2026. After some extensive forecasting and technical analysis, we estimate the Torn price is expected to cross an average price level of $27.70 by 2026, with a minimum price of $26.64 expected before the end of the year. Furthermore, Torn has a maximum price value of $29.30. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2027. Due to the future partnerships that are expected to happen by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish trend will continue, bringing the average price to around $33.03. If Torn manages to break the resistant level in 2027, we could see a maximum price of $34.63. Failing to gather the support Torn needs by 2027 could result in a low of $31.97. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2028. While Torn is striving towards interoperability between networks to hasten interaction, the bullish trend from the previous year is expected to continue. So the minimum trade price has been placed at $37.29 and a yearly price close above $39.96 in 2028. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2029. By 2029, Tornado Cash will finally surpass its previous ATH values and record new price levels. The minimum price could be $42.62 and potentially reach a maximum price value of $45.29, averaging out at $43.69. Tornado Cash Price Prediction 2030. In 2030, we are expecting cryptocurrency to have gained adoption across many sectors. As such, the maximum Torn price in 2030 is projected to be $52.21 in the event of a bull run, with an average price level of $50.08. From all indications, investors can see that Tornado Cash will follow in the footsteps of Zcash and Monero. These protocols are as valuable as their users deem their privacy, although it seems that most people prioritize simplicity and convenience over anonymity. Therefore, the Tornado Cash token will cater more to a space of users who prioritize their online privacy more than convenience. However, as overall crypto adoption increases, that user base is also expected to expand, driving price value, but make sure to do your own research while managing your portfolio risk accordingly.